Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Bread Financial, a company that offers a variety of financial services, including credit cards, loans, and savings accounts. But before we get into the details, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever wondered if Bread Financial has an app? If you're like me, you probably use your phone for everything these days, from banking to shopping. So it's natural to wonder if there's an app that can make managing your Bread Financial accounts even easier. The answer is yes. Bread Financial does have an app, and it's a pretty cool one. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Bread Financial app, as well as some of the features that it offers. I'll also be sharing my thoughts on whether or not the app is worth using. So, if you're interested in learning more about Bread Financial or if you're just curious about their app, stay tuned. How to download and install the Bread Financial app. The Bread Financial app is available for both iOS and Android devices. You can download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you've downloaded the app, you'll need to create an account. This is easy to do, and you can use your existing Bread Financial login credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to access all of the features of the app. Features of the Bread Financial app. The Bread Financial app has a lot of features to offer, but here are a few of the highlights. Check your balances and transactions. You can see your account balances and transaction history in real time. Make payments. You can make payments to your credit cards and loans directly from the app. Transfer money. You can transfer money between your Bread Financial accounts or to other accounts. Set up alerts. You can set up alerts to be notified when your account balance reaches a certain level or when a transaction is made. Manage your rewards. You can track your rewards points and redeem them for cash or gift cards. Chat with customer service. You can chat with customer service directly from the app. Is the Bread Financial app worth using? I think the Bread Financial app is a great way to manage your accounts on the go. It's easy to use, and it has a lot of features to offer. If you're a Bread Financial customer, I highly recommend downloading the app. Even if you're not a customer, it's still worth checking out. So, there you have it. Bread Financial does have an app, and it's a great way to manage your accounts on the go. If you're a Bread Financial customer, I highly recommend downloading the app. With that said, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new about Bread Financial. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I'll be back next time with another video. Until then, take care.